Nothing is quite as annoying and frustrating as finding a variety of insects, ants, and flies invading your home. What can you do? Beloved, are you tired of pesky bugs? Here are some tips. Use citrus or white vinegar as your first defense. Grab some 100% undiluted lemon juice or mix a 1-to-1 ratio of water and white vinegar and mist it near the cracks in your home. Wherever you notice bugs and spiders hanging out, drop some orange or lemon peels and they will stay away. Another option against ants is peppermint. Add about 8 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil to 1 cup of water, shake, and spritz around cracks and ant-infested areas. Add a few drops of biodegradable dish soap and ants will be no more. If you're dealing with annoying fruit flies, create a trap. Snag a container with a funnel-shaped opening, then put a small amount of apple cider vinegar in the container. No more buzzing. I've tried this at home. To keep flies away from your patio, simply plant sweet basil. To protect yourself against mosquitoes, grab the lavender essential oils. For those of you who love gardening and want to protect your flowers, it's as simple as composting. Believe it or not, bugs and plant pests hate coffee and bananas. Take your leftover grounds and chopped up banana peels and spread them around your flower beds. From your home to your patio to your garden, you can repel and kill your pesky little invaders without having to buy and spray expensive chemicals. Give some of these home remedies a try and comment below on what you've worked best for you. I'm Youssef, your local shoreline realtor, and this was The Walkthrough.